In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Uber Eats ID verification. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are having trouble verifying your identity on Uber Eats, and because of that you are blocked from making orders and getting deliveries, the best course of action is to manually request to have your ID verified. So all that you have to do is go over to the Uber Eats app, sign into your account, and now tap on account at the bottom right corner of the screen. In here, you will see plenty of options and you have to select help. Usually it's going to be right over here in the middle. When you tap help, you will be redirected to their help center. So as you can see, you will find plenty of articles here. Switch over to the stores category and now go into account and payments. And like I said, there are going to be plenty of options here. What you have to do is go over to verifying your account close to the bottom of the page. They're going to describe the process that they use to verify your identity. And as you can see, usually they describe this process as being automatic. But if you want to help them and just make sure this goes by quicker and you don't have to worry about ID verification for a while, all that you have to do in this page is include your first and last name, confirm your phone number, where you last ordered from Uber Eats, and then any additional details. By including all of these credentials over here, they are going to be able to verify your identity and make sure that your account works properly so you won't be blocked from making any future orders or pickups through Uber Eats. You can repeat this process if necessary, but for the most part, just do this once, wait a while, and they are going to be able to contact you, maybe requesting more additional information, or for the most part, this is going to be enough. They also teach you the instructions to scan a card, but this is all that you should do to help them update your information and make sure that your account has good reputation in Uber Eats. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Uber Eats ID verification. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.